Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. But be careful, almost 60% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So here is the task. What does this warning sign tell drivers? Number 1. The road turns into a single lane. Number 2. There is a tunnel ahead. Number 3. The road ahead will narrow. Number 4. A divided highway is ending. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The road narrows sign warns that the roadway will become narrower up ahead. This may involve a reduction in lane width or shoulder space. Drivers should reduce speed, stay alert, and be prepared to safely share the road, especially when large vehicles or oncoming traffic are present. So the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.